Come on now. And it's going to a whole nother zone. $7 for what? 9.4 miles. Then we got $11.25 for 11.2. That's, and we got $2 for 4.2 miles at Culver's. Trash. We got $3 for a mile and a half. Trash. Look at that. $3.75 for 10.1 miles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, President Trump's illegal immigration crackdown is off to a fast start. Fox News has learned that in a 33-hour period between Tuesday morning and Wednesday night, ICE agents arrested over 460 migrants, many with long criminal histories.
Well, I guess Trump gonna be deporting everybody, so ain't nothing we could do about it. You know, we gotta sit up here and hope that there's somebody out there to take these bad orders. This is absolutely crazy. Ain't nothing we could do about it, though. I guess he's keeping through with them campaign promises. What we got, $11.25 for 11.2 miles, 2 pickups? Oh, nah, we cannot have that. Absolutely not. You got a red card order, you got to shop for 1 item at Lowe's and go to McDonald's. That's how you know this a bad order, because they don't even stack McDonald's orders. And they got the nerve to order a USB lightning cable. You ain't getting no lightning cable. Stop playing with me, 6%. Next up, what's this right here? See what this is. Some trash, $8.25 for 9.2 miles, y'all. Who taking this? Because now that Trump deporting everybody, it's going to be up to y'all. Because I ain't doing it. Got me messed up. Listen, they ain't getting no coffee today. Shit, what's this? Got another order coming in. Whoa! Take it easy. DoorDash. Upside down orders out the wazoo. How is I'm supposed to make money with orders like this, DoorDash? Come on now. You see the customers ain't tipping. And then even when they do tip, they 10 miles away. Now what's this? It better be something good. I'm logging off. Oh, hell no. We got $4 for 4 miles. Well, I guess the writing is on the wall. All they got is upside down orders for you, boy. You know, we will not be making no money. I should have went to that Aldi's right there. Shit, these orders is trash. $4.25 for 4.4 miles. DoorDash, what is going on? Ain't nobody getting no Jack in the Box for $4. Lord Jesus. See, this is why I need to go to church. Because I know that's why I'm getting these orders. What is this? $4 for 3.7 miles at Starbucks. They want that coffee, huh? They better go get them a Keurig machine, boy. You ain't getting no coffee. What is going on? I ain't waiting. Upside. Look, $8.75 for 10 miles. All these orders is upside down. Like, this is DoorDash in 2025. And I know some people might say, hey, you got a 6%. That's why you seeing these orders. No, these orders is out here regardless if I'm at 6%. I'm just showing you what I be seeing. I guess somebody gonna have to take these now that Trump deporting everybody.
Oh my God!
Wait a minute.
Bruh.
And you better hit that subscribe button too. See what we got going on here. Got a DoorDash customer. What's that, a drink? Oh no, it is not sealed up. Ooh, I wouldn't take no chance on that. You know the DoorDash driver probably filled it up and they don't be washing their hands. Ooh, no ice. Got the no ice special. Yes, sir. Pour that mug straight out. Definitely don't want to get sick off no DoorDash order. Next up, what we got right here, a no-tip customer. Look at him, 0.00. I cannot stand him. Continue without tip. Hold up. Pause. So you telling me you got enough money to get your nails done, you got enough money to have Dash Pass, but you ain't got enough money to tip the driver. Hold up, your raggedy ass done already saved $10. You know you order DoorDash every other day. Come on now, make it make sense, man. If you don't got enough money to tip, you don't have enough money to place the order at all. Look at her, and she went through with it too with her raggedy ass. Can't stand these customers. Get on my nerves. Alright guys, we got $26 for 6 miles on Uber Eats. We picking up this one first. It's at this little spot called Weeping Willow Tea Room. My very first time ever picking up from her. I've already went in and checked in with them. They do have curbside parking and curbside pickup, but this parking lot is super full and I wasn't even really able to pull up at that curbside spot without blocking somebody else in. But a few customers just left, so we're gonna go ahead and park right here right now. This is gonna be my first order of the day. The goal is $100. Hopefully it don't take me too long to make it. Yesterday was Monday and we had a fairly decent day. We actually was able to go ahead and knock that goal out and had some time for some other things too. Now we got DoorDash running too as well. They haven't sent me anything yet, but hopefully I'm able at least to do an order or two with DoorDash. And we don't have no peak pay, no boost pay, but that's okay. Might even be able to crank out a few shopping orders as well, either on DoorDash, Uber, or Walmart Spark. Look at that, we got a $63 order down at Granite City Walmart. $63 for 34 miles. That ain't a bad order right there. You got 19 drops. Well, actually it's 18 drops. One of the drops is one of the stops is picking up the order, and it says it's gonna take you 2 hours and 14 minutes. $62.22 in delivery and $1.40 in extra earnings. Total quantity is 28 items. That is not a bad order, but it is taking you across the water. So yeah, I definitely would not take that. Even if I was down there, I wouldn't take it, because you got to go from Illinois to St. Louis to facilitate that order. Let me know, would you take this order right here on Spark? I mean, again, it ain't a bad order. You're getting 63 bucks for 34 miles, almost 2-to-1 miles money ratio. If it had been like 7 more bucks, it'd have been right there. But what I do notice is a lot of times with these batched orders, you get them done a lot quicker than what it estimates. So it say 2 hours and 14 minutes. You probably could get this done in an hour and a half if traffic is on your side and if they bring out that order fairly soon. That's really what it all boiled down to. Yeah, that order probably gonna sit on there for a while, because most of the drivers don't like going from Illinois to St. Louis just and then back and forth. You gotta go back to Illinois just to get an order at Walmart. Anybody got time for that? If Walmart want to send me an order over here where I'm at over in Edwardsville, I'll go ahead and knock it out. But other than that, we are going to be focusing on DoorDash and Uber Eats, because that's the quickest way to make my $100 at this time of day. Got the order, came out, is ready. We're going to throw that bad boy in the DoorDash catering bag. I'm going to zip it up here in a second. 26 bucks for one bag of food. This the kind of order I love starting my day off with. Go ahead, throw that seatbelt on. Stop playing. Hold up, wait a minute. It's kind of sunny out here today. Gotta throw that back. What's this order? Let's have a look at it real quick. We got the same order still on the screen. No worries. So let's go ahead and drop this one off. Get our day started off right. And let me know what kind of apps you're using in the morning time on this Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right? It sure is. Let me go ahead and verify this before I get ahead of myself. Hopefully this is taking me up towards Sam's Club, because yes sir, it's going right down the street from Sammy Whammies. Let's get it. I'll see you guys at the drop off. Man, we got this order dropped off in less than 30 minutes. Really, it's less than 20 minutes, but what I mean is we got this order dropped off in less than 30 minutes since I left my house, which is freaking awesome, because you know it's always a little bit of drive time to where your preferred marketplace where you like to accept and decline orders at. Man, they sent me this one as soon as I left my street, and the place I needed to pick up wasn't even that far away from the crib. But order number one, let's get her dropped off. Now let me know what you guys think about these deportations that's been happening. Probably won't be seeing too many deportations happening out here. Probably won't be too many ICE raids in my neighborhood. But I would imagine if they doing all these deportations and they targeting the criminals, right? Gonna be some people that get caught up in those raids. And we've already been seeing that. So they may be going after 1 or 2 people at a certain household, but then when they get there, they end up arresting about 10 people. And you know, it sucks, but I think what's going to end up happening is it's definitely going to have an impact on the dashers. It is. It's going to have an impact on the dashers. Well, what do you mean, Trader? How is it going to have an impact? Well, a lot of orders that were being taken are not going to be getting delivered no more. So that means there's going to be more orders out there either for you to accept or decline. I'm pretty sure that if you was working on DoorDash under the radar illegally and in the country illegally, you probably was taking whatever you can get and trying to make your money. And I ain't knocking you. But what I'm saying is, if a whole bunch of platinum dashers is getting deported, it's gonna be a lot of orders out there not getting delivered. Meaning, there's gonna be a lot more orders you see. Maybe it'll have an impact on the saturation issues. Maybe it'll have an impact on how much we getting paid, how many tips you seeing. Only the future will tell, but I will say this. If you are an illegal immigrant in the country right now, you're doing DoorDash, listen, my heart goes out to you, because I know you just probably trying to make some money, pay your bills, and I get it, and I do empathize. But at the same time, I'm pretty sure you know the risk of being in the country illegally, and I'm pretty sure you seen the writing on the wall with Trump getting reelected, you know, so there is no surprise, you know. But I am curious to see the long-lasting impacts of this, because I'm a dasher myself, and I'm out here making money. But I don't take those cheap orders. But I think that with this happening, there's gonna be a lot more cheap orders out there that I have to decline. It ain't no thing for me. But let me know what you think in the comments below. We just dropped off order number 1. We got 26 bucks on the board, and I'm happy. I'm 25% or 26% on my way to my daily goal. I was slightly mistaken. I thought it was $25 for 6 miles. It actually was $23 for 6 miles. We got $5.50 on the tip on that one, guys. So it was like 18 bucks in base pay. Not really sure why the base pay was $18 on Uber Eats for that one, but it was. And situationally, I have been seeing a super crazy increase in base pay, and I'm glad that I got that for my first order. And Uber Eats blessed me with another order. We got a Qdoba. We sitting here now. We got $8.50 something for 2 miles. This one I did get a screenshot of, but I seen that 8 for 2, and I was like, oh yeah, we got $8.56 for 2.7. I figured, oh yeah, that's perfect. Now with this $8.56 plus the 23 that we already made, that'll put us at 31, almost 32, depending on how much change on that first order. And it say estimated time 16 minutes, so this is perfect. I'm still within my position to try to fish for a Sam's Club order. I kind of missed the drop already, but it's all good though. Let me go up in here and see if this order is ready for my boy Bryce. But I probably should bring this phone too, just in case they send me a DoorDash order or a stack on Uber Eats or something. Let's see, they got Home Depot orders on here, Granite City orders, all of them trash. Hello, got one for Bryce? Well, you can't ask for nothing better. Let's get it. So this is now looking to be a good start to a shift, because in the first hour, we about to be over 30 bucks with one app. And whenever you can do that, that's always a good day, any day of the week. What is this man doing right here? Looking all crazy. Hold up, got a phone vibration. What we got? I heard a vibration. In the nation. Is it an order? Yeah, it's an order, alright. But it ain't for me. Must be for somebody else. We got $23 10 miles at Granite City. But I ain't nowhere near there. I'm like 20 miles away. So that's like a 30-mile order. Really, it's like 40 miles. No, sir. Let's go ahead and verify this order. Commence delivery. And get to this money. Yes, sir. Thanks for being here with me, too. Hit that like and the subscribe button. I'm going to keep this finger right in your face. Order number 2, guys. We're gonna be dropping it off right here. Never been to this place before, but first time for everything. Look like some type of law office or something. Let's see.
Oh, my hero. Thank you, sir.
You got it, boss. Oh, don't forget to drink.
Appreciate it, man.
You got it, man. Hey, you have a good day too. Thank you. There we go. Another happy customer in the books. 32 bucks. What's that? What we been out for? 40 minutes. Let's get it. That's what I'm talking about right there. What you got next for me? We ain't got no DoorDashes. We ain't got a Spark order yet. I could turn on Grubhub, but they trash too. It's all good. We gonna make it. We gonna make it some kind of way. Some kind of way we gonna put these orders together and hit that daily goal. I don't know how it's gonna work, but we gonna keep on working until we make it work. We just got our first DoorDash order of the afternoon, guys. And just like I was saying, boy, Trump deporting all these illegal immigrants, so it ain't nobody to take the $2 orders. This is crazy. Look at this. $2, 3.6 miles at R. Come on now. And it's going to a whole nother zone. Do y'all see that? This is absolutely wild, man. Wild. Look at last night. Look, these are the orders I was getting last night. $7 for what? 9.4 miles. That's a stack. Then we got $11.25 for 11.2. That's also a stack. That's the one that's the screenshot I took of the other earlier order in the video. And we got $2 for 4.2 miles at Culver's. Trash. We got $3 for 1.5 miles. Trash. Look at that. $3.75 for 10.1 miles. And it gets even better. And it's for Wingstop at that. And it's for Wingstop at that. Look at that, another $2 order, $2 for 2 miles. This is the running theme on DoorDash now. It's gonna be lots of no-tip orders out here because Trump didn't, he deporting our workforce of no-tip DoorDash drivers. Look at this. This is absolutely egregious behavior. Look at that, $4.50 for 10 miles. The reason, I got all of these orders back to back too last night at dinner time. That's how I know. I'm like, listen, whoever was taking these orders before, they must either got locked up or locked out. That's the only way, because 10 no-tip orders in a row is absolutely crazy. Well, I guess I ain't gonna be getting no DoorDash order today. Look at that. My dash has ended. Ain't did it yet, huh? Watch when I go back and I try to go back in. Look, my dash has ended. I guess I'm gonna have to rely on Spark and Uber Eats to try to hit this goal. It is 1 p.m. right now. Maybe I'll try coming back out a little bit later. But shoot, I thought I had a good shot at making my $100 goal before the first half of the day. I don't know. It might not be so easy as I thought it was gonna be. We ain't getting no shopping orders. What's this? 12 items, no tip. Yeah, we can't do that. Can't do no tip 12 item order. Somebody took it? Wow. Somebody straight took that, y'all. That's crazy. Yep, well, it's still slow out here, so you only can do your best. And right now, my best is $32. So they just sent me a notification saying it's busy. Let's go ahead and see if they lying or not. We only at $32, and we've been out here for an hour and a half, y'all, so it is not looking good. I was sitting here camping out the Sam's Club drop. We ain't get nothing, man. I'm kind of disappointed. We missed the 12:30 drop, and we was here for the 1:30 drop, but we got nothing, guys. Nothing at all. So I gotta fall back on DoorDash and Uber, and hopefully we can hit that $100 goal, man. Cause golly, it is taking too long, man. We could have at least been at like 50, 60 bucks. Well, after waiting like 30 minutes, we finally got our next order, guys. Finally. I almost was like this close to giving up. I was like, listen, if I ain't getting no orders, I might as well go home and save my energy. This is what I'm saying to myself. I was so ready to go home. So ready. We just got $18 1 mile on the Walmart Spark app. Let's go. Can we get some W's in the chat? Come throw a W in the comment section below. $18 1 mile, and it gets even better. This order only got 10 items on it. I'm about to be in and out of this Walmart so fast. So you know what? This is a perfect order. And DoorDash, look, they let me in. They sent me one order for $3 going 3 miles outside of my zone. Matter of fact, while I'm still thinking about it, let me go ahead and pause them now because that's straight up crazy. I'm gonna take this little $18 1 mile order and I'm gonna be happy with that. And we're gonna come back out later on and run it up. We got $18.09. Let's go. It says one 40 to 50 pound item on there. If I had to guess, it's probably gonna be like a case of water or something like that. Maybe it's either a case of water, a bag of cat food, a box of cat food, or a bag of dog food. What else in there could weigh that much? Usually it's gonna be the water. Especially with an item count this low, usually it's just gonna be the water. We finna be in and out, done with this order in less than 30 minutes, and that's gonna put me at 2:30. So that'll be 2 hours and 30 minutes to make 50 bucks. And look, that's with like 38, almost 45 minutes of downtime for real. Because if you count the time I waited to get this order and the time between my first order and my second order, yeah, that downtime is definitely there. But still, 2.5 hours to make 50 bucks, I'm cool with it. Now, I'm definitely expecting those earnings to significantly increase tonight. I'm talking about, I'm trying to make 35, 40 bucks an hour tonight. And we're gonna be running all 3 apps because since I ain't really hit the $100 goal in the first part of the day, I definitely gotta increase my parameters for the second part of the day. Last order of the day for right now. And of course, it definitely did have a case of water and a case of soda and another soda too, but still it wasn't that bad. We got it shopped in 10 minutes flat. And now we got a 1 point something mile, 6-minute drive to the delivery destination. I'm gonna take y'all with me actually. Might as well. Yep, we at the right spot. There we go. How about this? How about I sit y'all right here and y'all can watch me unload all of this stuff. It ain't too much stuff, but we do got the case of water and we got the soda. So I'll just run these bags up here first. Then it'll be nice and neat. Probably can grab those two at the same time. Lucky. There we go. Oh. Easy money. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll for real see you in the next one now.